Oh my gosh. Okay, this is adorable. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video for this portable solid state drive. This is the terabyte version of it. It's called the Beetle, and that is based on its small size and shape. So let's take a look at it and see what we've got. All right, looks like these are the accessories for it. Oh, and a case. Okay, got two cables here. One is USB-A to USB-C and the other is USB-C to USB-C. And something important to note, on these faster solid state drives, you really want to keep track of the cables that come with it, because by and large the cables that come with these drives are rated for the speeds of these drives. If you end up using a slower cable for a faster drive, you're going to have a slower drive. So you always want to try and keep track of the cable that came with it, or make sure you're using a high quality, high speed cable. So this is the case for it. Oh, that's little. Look at that little thing. Okay, so here's the drive itself, and this thing is tiny. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is adorable. This is crazy small. I love this. Here's the protective case for it. It's like a bumper. Goes on like that, it looks like. Yeah. Just to help protect it. There is a right way to put it on. You want to make sure that the little light is showing. I saw that somewhere. I don't even know where I saw that, but there's a little indicator light on it, and you want to make sure the little indicator light is actually visible when you've got the case on it. I did not expect this to be so small. This is awesome. We're going to see how this little guy performs, and I'll get back to you with a video on that. So I hope this helps.